Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about 5 easy habits to better health. These are just 5 different little tips I have for you guys if you want to start being healthier and really take more care of your body. And they're really easy and they're not that big a change anyway, so I just want to let you guys know a little knowledge I have. And the book that I'm going to be referring to mostly today is the Beauty Detox Foods, Kimberly Schneider's book, and she has 3 different books, and I have been loving her lately so much. I mentioned her in my favorites video, and let's get started. The first tip I have for you guys is to drink water between meals, not at meals. So let's talk about this. The number 1 rule you want to live by is drinking water or liquids 30 minutes before you eat foods or solids. After you eat foods, you want to wait 1 hour until you can drink any liquids at all. The water and liquids kind of dilute your digestive system while you have other solids in there, and it just doesn't mix well, and so it takes longer for your digestive system to process. The full process of digestion takes more energy than any other internal function, and so this really is just a key factor to stick to help your digestive system. And also, some estimate that digestion takes as much as half or more of your total energy, so really just try to stick to this rule, and I guarantee that you won't feel as bloated and you won't feel as full either, and it will just, you know, help out in the bathroom, and it's just a very good thing to live by. By the way, both of my neighbors on each side of the house are doing yard work and mowing and weed hacking and all that kind of stuff, so I'm sorry about that. So hopefully you can't hear that in the video. I know I can hear it, but hopefully you can't, but if you can, that's what it is. So a quote from her book, she says, "Think of a stagnant pond, your food and lots of liquids mixed together in your stomach, versus a waterfall, the liquid on its own, which efficiently and continuously flows." So that's just a really good thing to picture. You don't want all that sludge in your body just sticking there and like sticking around. You just want that waterfall effect of just everything flowing through your body and your body getting your nutrients that you need. My second tip for you guys is to drink apple cider vinegar. It is so good for you. And I know when I first started, I did not like it. I did not like the taste. That was back a few years ago when I was eating all these junk foods and putting it in my body. And if that's where you are, then that's okay. You can still go on from here. When I first started drinking it, I did not like the taste at all, but I would try to make myself drink it because I knew it was good for me. But it does get better and you get used to it anyways, and it's really good for you. It promotes health so much. Apple cider vinegar is really good for digestion, and it encourages the growth of healthy bacteria in your body as well. Now, when you're drinking apple cider vinegar, you want to dilute it, because if you try it by itself, that'll really sting and hurt, so because it's very strong. So you want to do, you know, maybe a cup of water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, maybe 2, depending on where you are at. When you are buying it at a store or on Amazon or something, or wherever you are, you do want to get it raw and unfiltered. And if it says with the mother, that is what you want, because if it is pasteurized, then it will not have those healing properties for your body. Raw apple cider vinegar is really high in minerals and potassium, so it really helps your cellular cleansing. Apple cider vinegar has so many health properties, and another thing is it helps with acne in your skin. And I do believe this is true. I have definitely noticed a difference. It does help your skin, truly. Kimberly Schneider's raw apple cider vinegar helps promote the growth of probiotics, the beneficial bacteria in your system, by acting as a prebiotic that feeds the probiotics in your digestive system. She also states that because it helps balance the yeast and bacteria in your body that feeds off sugar, consuming it may help those sugar cravings. Gotta stay hydrated. The third tip that I have for you guys is to eat more vegetables and less animal products. We all know, we're all taught that veggies and fruits are good for us from the very beginning. It is so true. Greens and vegetables are one of the most important food groups there is. The fiber they have will help get rid of that toxic waste in your body, and it'll also fill you up. I'm just gonna read the list she has of some vegetables that are really great for your beauty and your body. Artichokes, arugula, asparagus, beans, beet greens, beets, bok choy, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, green, purple, or Chinese, carrots, cauliflower, celery, chard, chives, cilantro, collard greens, dandelion greens, dill, endive, escarole, frisee, green beans, kale, lamb's quarters, leeks, mushrooms, mustard greens, okra, onions, parsley, parsnips, peppers, radishes, romaine lettuce, scallions, sea vegetables, shallots, spinach, sprouts, all varieties, sweet potatoes, Swiss chard, turnips, watercress, and wheatgrass. The fourth tip I have for you guys is to eat your fruit on an empty stomach. This just really helps your digestive system once again. Fruit has the highest water content of any of the food groups. So because fruit breaks down the fastest in your system, leaving no toxic residue, it supplies you with readily available energy that can be used for immediate fuel. Because they do break down the fastest, they are out of your body in 20 to 30 minutes, which is pretty freaking fast. If you do eat fruits not on an empty stomach, because they go through you so quickly and they are really high in water, then they won't mix well with anything else you eat, and so therefore your digestive system will be slower, working harder, and you'll be more tired and bloated and all that icky stuff. So I'm just gonna read you guys a list of the best beauty fruits for your body. Acai berries, apples, apricots, avocados, bananas, blackberries, blueberries, cantaloupe, cherimoyas, not really sure how to say that one, cherries, coconut, cranberries, cucumbers, currants, durian, figs, goji berries, gooseberries, grapefruit, grapes, guava, honeydew melon, kumquats, lemons, limes, mangoes, nectarines, oranges, papaya, peaches, pears, persimmons, pineapple, plums, pomegranates, prunes, raisins, raspberries, strawberries, tangerines, tomatoes, and watermelon. I do also advise that when you eat watermelon, try to eat that by itself altogether, just because it's really high in water. It's pretty much just water. It has it in the name, so that'll go really quickly through you, so you don't want to put anything that's going to slow that down. My fifth tip is to have a light morning. Now, this means that if you're not hungry in the morning, then you don't have to have breakfast right away. Your body is just telling you that you don't need to eat anything, and it's not hungry, and it doesn't need fuel right away just yet. So you don't have to give it what it doesn't need. Really just try and listen to your body and what it's telling you, and that'll just really help you out throughout the day even. Because if you overeat and give your body what it doesn't need, then it's just going to create more sludge in your body and just be too full, and you'll feel bloated and gross and heavy and tired. So just listen to your body and what it's telling you. One other bonus tip I have for you guys is in the morning, right when you get up, like after you brush your teeth and everything, get a glass of water and just have a fresh squeezed lemon, or if you don't have that, have lemon juice, and pour it in there and just stir it up. Maybe add some stevia if you need any. Just drink that 30 minutes before you eat your breakfast. That'll just keep an ongoing cleanse going throughout the day, and it'll really help that detoxification that your body was going through while you were sleeping keep going, and you'll just feel more awake. And lemon is super good for you, especially for your skin, your liver, your organs, your digestive system. It's high in vitamin C, which destroys free radicals and toxins in your body. It acts as a blood purifier and as a cleansing agent to flush out all that toxin and bacteria in your body as well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe got a few tips to help you with your health journey. I love you guys, and if you liked it, you can subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell to get notified when I post videos. I post every Tuesday and Friday. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!